Look what we have here. What's up, Gadgeteers? My name is Hector and this is Gadget Beard, and on this channel I unbox and review everyday tech, gadgets, and accessories for you. And in today's video we have the iPhone 12 Pro Max. Now I am a Pixel phone lover now, so I picked this up for my girlfriend. She's an iPhone user. I'm not. I use one for work, but we pick up the Max every year for her, and this year she wanted the Max in Pacific Blue. So we have that new color here. Now looking at this box, obviously everybody is making a big deal about this box. Oh my god, look at how small it is. Oh my god, we've saved many trees. Of course we did. So this is what you're gonna get if you're thinking about picking one of these up at a store, and of course it costs north of $1,000. I don't know how much I paid for this, 1,100 or something like that. I got the 128 gigabyte model. So without further ado, let's go ahead and unbox this, and this is how you open it. Ooh, and let's go ahead and remove the box, and wow, look at this phone. Let's go ahead and put this aside, and inside we do have a Type-C to lightning port there, and you have a sticker and a SIM injection tool, and that's about it. No charging brick. No charging brick. Oh man, what are you gonna do? But no worries, because this video is officially sponsored by Anchor. If you're looking for a charging, no, this video is not sponsored by Anchor. It's sponsored by nobody but my goddamn self, because I bought this phone. So I'm sure you've seen many videos. If you absolutely need a charging brick and don't have one, you can go ahead and pick one up from Anchor. There's plenty of videos out there. Go check them out. But this is the iPhone 12 Max Pro, and it's looking pretty solid, man. The one thing I don't like about the Pros is I don't like this shiny stainless steel bezel. I wish it was like this. Look at this nice frosted back. It looks freaking amazing. And then you got this shiny bezel. Oh man, really wish I would have seen it was frosted just like the back. But this is the smartphone here, and it's looking good. The iPhone 12 compared to, let's bring out this bad boy right here. The bad boy. Bam. Now, it's the biggest iPhone they've done, but it's not bigger than the Note 20 Ultra there. And compared to the lovely Pixel 5, bam, look at that. Pixel 5, Apple, Samsung, bam. And kind of fits in between. So if you're on the cuffs in between the size of a Pixel 5 and a Note 20 Ultra 5G, get the iPhone 12 Pro Max. Look at that, in between, happy medium. Bam. There you have it, guys. Stay tuned. We're gonna do a bunch of case accessory reviews. If you're new to the channel, I do a lot of accessory cases for the iPhones every year, or any other phone like the Google Pixel 5 or the Note 20. Plenty of accessory videos coming out soon. Just want to do a quick unboxing of the Apple iPhone 12 Max Pro for you guys. Oh, I said it backwards. The Apple 12 Pro Max, boom, in the newest color, Pacific Blue. Obviously iOS 14 looks the same across all devices. I shouldn't even power this device on, but we will be doing camera comparisons against this bad boy and this bad boy here, and some other mid-tier budget phones, so to see how this compares across the array of smartphones out there today. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. If you're new to the channel, consider subscribing, and make sure you hit that notification bell so you know when more awesome videos on the iPhone 12 Pro Max drop. Again, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.